This is is the monkey sound. We make it by putting our lips together, sticking them forward, and making a sound like a monkey. Monkey sound likes to go into words like wood, pull, push, pull, and book. Monkey sound doesn't have a favourite letter. Instead, it has two favourite letters. Sometimes it likes to go into letter U, and sometimes it likes to go into letters O-O. If you hear monkey sound, it is almost always going into these letters. It doesn't really like to go into any other letters, although sometimes we can hear it going into OU, but not so much. Other sounds like these letters too, and monkey sound is happy to share them. So when we see letter U, sometimes it is and sometimes it is oo. When we see OO, sometimes it is oo, and sometimes it is ooh. Monkey sound doesn't mind sharing with the other sounds, even though it really, really loves these letters.